Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In today's video we're going to be learning how you can sync your library in Apple Music, and in case it is refusing to sync, we're going to be looking at the potential problems and how we can fix them. So when it comes to Apple Music application, the problem with syncing could stem from one of three main reasons. The first reason is your network connection. Another one could be your subscription to Apple Music itself. And the third one could be the syncing option. Maybe there's a problem with it and we're going to learn how we can reset that. So in order to get started, I want you to go to your settings. So search for your settings. And then after that, I want you to search for network. Just type network in the search bar and then a bunch of network settings will pop up. I want you to turn the cellular data off. And then to turn it back on. So that's going to be the first thing. Another thing that you might want to do if this still does not work is that you can search for reset, and then you can reset your network settings by pressing on the reset button. So what that does is that it's going to reset all of your network settings, and that might be the issue on why the library is not syncing yet. And the third option that we're going to be trying is I want you to search in the settings for music. And then you're going to see in the settings, library, add playlist songs, and sync library. As you can see, my settings were turned on, yet my library was not synced. So we're going to be turning them off and then back on. Once you've done that, I want you to exit your music app, make sure it's closed, and then start it again. And then if you look at the library right there, you're going to see that my library has synced up. And with that, we will have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed this kind of content, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.